Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix mobile data not working on your Motorola Edge 60 Neo. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and we want to check the selection screen. So if you're using a card, you should definitely see it in the settings. Then what you want to do is you want to go to network and internet, select your SIMs and mobile network, and make sure that your SIM card is basically enabled here. You want to make sure that you use the mobile data, so that mobile data is enabled. And as you guys can see, everything is good here. But what are we going to do next is we're going to go to access point names. Here we have our internet, and as you guys can see, we want to click on three dots, delete the APN. Now our internet should disappear because we do not have it anymore. Of course, I'm going to turn on the mobile data. It will not work. And what are we going to do next is we're going to click on three dots here, click reset to default, and that way we have our internet back. So what are we going to do next is we want to make sure that our coverage is good. So if 5G is not good for you, you can try LTE, and then after you switch to LTE, make sure to go over and just turn on and turn off the airplane mode. Once you do that, you can check your signal with the LTE and 5G. If it's the same, you can basically keep 5G. But if you're a big fan of 4G or 5G, depending on your coverage, you can keep whatever you want. It's up to your preference. And as a last resort, what you guys can do is go over, leave the network and internet, and scroll down over to system. You go to reset options and then click on reset mobile network settings. Here you click on reset settings, enter your password, and click here. You're going to click reset settings again, and you have the confirmation on your screen. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.